So hello everyone, how are you all? Seems to be good at your places. I'm Geetika Sudhi again here to tell you something which is going to be very much interesting and fantastic. I know that you are waiting for our cap series, and here we are as we have promised on our Instagram also. So let's start with a new perfect vocab series for you all. So starting with alternatives of because I think that this word is going to use so many times in our day-to-day English, and I think that this is the right time to start with alternatives of because. So starting with it, I want to tell you guys that there are total 16 synonyms which I will tell you through our videos, but I will tell you today only 6. First 6 synonyms only I will disclose with you, and the rest of these synonyms I will tell you in our next video, so that you get enough time for your revision, for your practice. Whenever you practice similar words so many times, then you will become a English perfecto, and I think that it's a perfect time to tell you, and you get enough time for your practice. And let's start with it. And first of all, take your notebooks and pen, note each and everything very much carefully. For practice sheets, you can join our classrooms also, link are in description, and follow us. You can follow us on our Instagram ID, that is at GS Global Way, so that we can start. So let's get started with our vocab series. As it is a direct synonym of because but inferior, you have to note it. As is used instead of because, but it is a inferior. The next word is as result of. It is used for because of. We have to use this phrase instead of because of, not because. Examples are there, you have to go through it so that you can practice it well. As long as is a third synonym of because, and this is an informal equivalent of because, which is used to express the thought which is occurring or will occur in future, or it is true. So we have to use this word in that cases. You have to understand it, and this word have its own example. You can see it and go through it with. And the next is being as. It have a same sense and meaning which we discussed about as long as, because there we also will talk about that the thought which is going to be occur, it is occurring or will be true, and that same sense being as also having, but the way is sometimes different, or the some same meaning alternatives also we have, considering that is also a part of the same alternatives meaning, and it have a alternative of because but having identical meaning of as long as and being as. It also used when thought is occurring or will occur or is true somewhere. I think that you will understand it very much beautifully. And 4 is also an alternative of because, and this is a substitute which is reserved for because in poetic usage, and we have example of it, that is let us eat and drink for tomorrow we die. So here we have an example where we have a poetic usage, so that's why we have to use here 4. Now that's it for today's video. Meet you again. If you want practice sheets, then join our classrooms. Links are in description box, and you have to go with them. If you have any doubt, you can ask us on our email ID, Instagram, or in comment section also. Like the video, subscribe our channel, and press the bell icon. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay safe, be happy, and do practice. Thank you.